Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract fractions that have different bottom numbers. This is a key skill in algebra that will help you solve many kinds of problems. Let's start with the easy part. When two fractions have the same bottom number or denominator, it is simple. Think of a pie cut into 5 slices. 1 slice plus 2 slices equals 3 slices. You just add the top numbers and keep the bottom number the same. But what if the bottom numbers are different? Look at this. 1/2 plus 1/3. One slice is much bigger than the other. You cannot just add them together yet because they represent different amounts of the whole. To fix this, we need a common denominator. Specifically, the least common denominator, or LCD. This is the smallest number that both of our bottom numbers can divide into evenly. It allows us to cut the pieces into the same size. Let's look at our example, 1/3 and 1/4. The denominators are 3 and 4. If we list the multiples of 3, we get 3, 6, 9, 12. For 4, we get 4, 8, 12. The first number that appears in both lists is 12, so 12 is our LCD. Now we change our fractions. To turn 1/3 into twelfths, we multiply the top and bottom by 4, giving us 4 twelfths. For 1/4, we multiply top and bottom by 3, giving us 3 twelfths. Now both fractions speak the same language. Now it is easy. We have 4 twelfths plus 3 twelfths. Just like before, we add the top numbers. 4 plus 3 is 7. The bottom number stays 12. Our answer is 7 twelfths. Subtraction works exactly the same way. Let's try 3/4 minus 1/6. First, we find the common denominator for 4 and 6, which is 12. We convert 3/4 to 9 twelfths and 1/6 to 2 twelfths. Now we subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. The denominator stays 12, so the answer is 7 twelfths. We also check if we can simplify the answer. 7 is a prime number and does not go into 12, so we are done. Here is a major warning. Never, ever add the denominators together. 1/2 plus 1/3 does not equal 2/5. If you do this, you will get the wrong answer every time. Always find the common denominator first. Let's review the 4 steps. 1. Find the least common denominator. 2. Convert your fractions to match that denominator. 3. Add or subtract the top numbers. And 4. Simplify your final answer if you can.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.